And a Baltimore City zip code has the highest concentration of COVID-19 cases statewide. That's according to new state data. Going forward, cases will be posted by zip code to better understand who is getting sick. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs spoke to a Baltimore City councilwoman to see what needs to be done next to stop the spread in these communities.
We're trying to save the lives of thousands of people in our state.
Today on ABC This Week, Governor Larry Hogan said an important piece of that is knowing who is getting sick.
This disparity among African Americans is very disturbing.
The difference is nearly 1,000 people when comparing African American to Caucasian Marylanders who have tested positive. Now all case data will be further broken down by zip code to show where resources are needed.
It's where almost all of our attention and all of our focus, all of our money, all of our health care, all the assistance from the National Guard. It's really where all of our testing is being done. It's where all of our health care is being ramped up, where we're adding 6,000 hospital beds.
The zip code with the most cases in the state spans from Baltimore City's Druid Hill Park to Pikesville in Baltimore County. It includes Pimlico, where a drive-through testing site just opened.
In our community, in the Black community, you're talking about people who are already low on the totem pole. When you're talking about taking a car and go to West Baltimore to get tested, well, we don't have cars. So how do the people in South Baltimore and West Baltimore, and how do we get there?
Councilwoman Shannon Sneed says the new data is helpful, but she wants to see it used to stop the spread in these communities with a public health plan that includes more accessible testing and contact tracing.
Looking at all the data to say, well, if she's or he's asymptomatic, why are they asymptomatic? Or if they're not asymptomatic and they're still, passing it along, like it's looking at the data more deeply to find out how we prevent it from spreading.
In Baltimore, Abby Isaacs, WMAR 2 News.